grease. Have to come out on both sides.
Right.
If you don't come out on both sides, that means it's grease.
It's not taking the grease.
Yeah.
So as the mechanics say, while we're doing this right now, the grease has to come out on both sides. If not, it means that the ports are blocked up right here. It's not taking the grease.
Yeah.
But this looks good because
Yeah.
you know, it's fully grease right there.
Means that we should not take that grease at that mash up.
Yeah.
Lick out.
Yep. Turbo looks good. All that stuff. This is the coolant jug. Looks good. That's about it. What I like with Andrew, when Andrew do his work, like he don't just do an oil change. He do like a proper PM service, like go underneath there, check the drive lines, you know, check everything from front to back, full service. So you know, on the road, you're safe. So big respect to Andrew, always my G.